If you're working on Klaviyo and you need to clean one of your Klaviyo lists, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's come in. So the first thing you need to know is the reason for cleaning your list can help you improve deliverability. You can also maintain a strong sender reputation, improve account stats overall. You can also reduce your unsubscriber rates. You can prevent blacklistings and a whole bunch more. So it is very, very important that you are doing this cleaning and kind of on a regular basis. So what we need to do is go over to the left hand side from our homepage to audience, use the drop down menu, and you're going to go to lists and segments, and you're going to create a new segment from your list. Let's go ahead, and this is where you'll find yourself. Now, I've done all the back work because it's a little bit tedious, a little bit time consuming, and what you need to do from here is you need to start building your list. So the first section over here is you need to give it a name, and you're going to name it unengaged email subscribers, and you can give it a tag if you have plans on having different sort of segments within this list. So from here you can now go down and you're going to add a condition. The very first condition needs to be if someone can or cannot receive marketing, and this person can receive. And then you're going to choose email marketing. You could also choose SMS marketing or the mobile push marketing. You can actually set up different lists for this, or you can have one single list or segment with all of these conditions in one. If you would like to do that, you are going to create a new condition with the same option at the top as well as the can receive, and then you'll just have to choose the SMS marketing, and the next condition you'll have to choose through the mobile push marketing. And you'll need to do this for all of these conditions that we're adding in. The next condition you need to add in is the what someone has or has not done, and this person has received an email, and you're going to say at least once in the last, and this is where you can tailor the amount of days that you want to filter out. So I've put it as 180 days. And I think that's fair enough, but you can make it less or you can make it more. It depends on your specific needs. Another thing that you need to take note of is that you are having these conditions compiled. So they have to be selected as and not as or. Okay, so we're going over to the next one. And here, the next one is going to be what someone has done. And the rest of them will be what someone has done. And it'll be opened an email, clicked an email, active on site, view product, and all of these conditions will be 0 times in the same amount of days or weeks that you are going to add in over here. And they're all going to be selected on and. We're going to go down here. I'm going to add the last condition. And again, I just want to note is if you are doing this for SMS, email, or mobile push marketing, you need to do individual conditions. Let's go down here. Let's say add condition, the very last condition. Let's say and we're going to select a condition, what someone has done or not done. And here we are going to add in placed an order. Let's click on this one over here. 0 times, you can see it gives you the list. And in the last 180 days, as you can see here, you can make it days, weeks, or hours. It depends on how you would like to do this. And you can add additional conditions here if you would like to. But these are the standards over here. And you can actually find this list if you go over to Klaviyo's help desk. They will give you an article with all of this information in it. You can now go over to the right hand side and you can click on create segment. This segment now will be created with all of the conditions. It will now find all the people in your lists that belong in these conditions, and then these people will be put into the segmentation and they will not be emailed unnecessarily, and you won't have to have any issues with having your stats going down or the strength or the health of your Klaviyo profile going down.